And we had DualTemp and a few other refrigeration people, and DualTemp won the bid by the design and also the price savings. Professional Freezing's built 600,000 square feet in the last 3 years. DualTemp on every building that we built was ahead of schedule on every construction phase. Engine rooms were kept clean. Facility while the construction phase was going on was clean. It was a very good job that they performed. DualTemp was very easy to work with. Professional Freezing Services has tenants also involved in the buildings that we have. So with the design that DualTemp came up, it was more efficient than other refrigeration companies would offer. DualTemp came in and designed some processing rooms for Professional Freezing Services for other tenants, and also designed some blast freezers for Professional Freezing Services. DualTemp did a great job in regards of putting the system together properly, and all expectations were met at that time. Professional Freezing Services has a maintenance agreement with DualTemp. Also, the environmental part of their services that they provide is very, very good. Professional Freezing Services mentioned DualTemp to other companies that joined with Professional Freezing Services, and the person that was very involved with Professional Freezing Services from DualTemp was Terry Klaus. He was called at that time, showed up the same day, and always was out here once a week to review the job and make sure that Professional Freezing Services was satisfied at that time.